A very good example of new technology and new terminology is the cell phone. Let's speak about the isiZulu language. What I mean with new technology, new terminology is the following. You have new technology, something is invented in the West, in China, in Europe, anywhere, and that technology reaches South Africa and it reaches KwaZulu. So now you have the new technology in your hands, or it's at a store where you can buy it. And isiZulu speakers now want to talk about the new technology. What do they call it? Okay. What word should they use in speaking about this new technology? Initially, when the cell phones came into South Africa, okay, I want you to notice the challenge now. The challenge is new technology, but I speak in isiZulu. What word should I use for this new technology? Okay, it's a challenge because you did not invent it. It came from the other side, came into your world. You like the technology, but what are you going to call it? Okay, this is where a person like Thokozani Nene, Igxaba leMbatata uManyathela, was quick. He seems to have had a sense of responsibility, a love for the isiZulu language, to see, okay, here's new technology, but we will not be accepting your word for it, your terminology for the new technology. We will invent our own word. And so Thokozani Nene, Dr. Thokozani Nene, came up with the word umakhalekhukhwini. Okay, that's the word that he coined to fight against the idea that in accepting technology, we also have to accept the term that comes with it. Here is our problem. A huge amount or a big amount of isiZulu speakers don't think this word umakhalekhukhwini is interesting. And by the way, when I speak isiZulu, yilo engilisebenzisayo elithi umakhalekhukhwini. Mangifundisa labo abangakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu, ngiyabafundisa ngithi umakhalekhukhwini. So, what do most isiZulu speakers today use? I saw a video not too long ago of Ubaba Msholozi, and he spoke about, he used the word iselula, iselula. Other people speak about, they just say iphone, iphone. Others say cell phone. Can you see what is happening? New technology, and people call the new technology according to the term in the other language that it came with. Okay, so this is how you have words that you borrow when in the language itself, the language practitioners or even the people, they just don't care. We don't care. Iselula, iphone, cell phone, yeah. Okay? So it's a reality that we have to face. We have to say, listen, uma sifuna ukukhuluma isiZulu esiphusile, if we want to speak clean isiZulu, uma sifuna ukukhuluma isiZulu soqobo, sizosebenzisa amazwi anjani ukubiza ezobuchwepheshe ezintsha ezivelayo ezweni lakithi. So it's very important. It's a question to answer. What terms will we use? For the health of the language of isiZulu, it is the best to have language practitioners who are good in coining, making new terms for new technology. For me, lelo elithi umakhalekhukhwini ngiyalithanda. Ube nosuku oluhle.